guys, I will be making a bowl of marbles, some cookies, and a hot dog. And hello guys, welcome to my channel. Rakaya Harry, twins of the Happy Family. Please subscribe down below, because I only got 30 subscribers. I wish I had 120, because that's my goal. So please subscribe down below. And today I will play with Play-Doh. I will be making a bowl of marbles, hot dog. I mean cookies, and so let's get started. Okay, I just got this Play-Doh, and it's fun. And I'm supposed to be making marbles in the bowl, cookies, and hot dogs. And first we're gonna make the bowl of marbles. To make the bowl of marbles, we're gonna use these colors. So shoot away, shoot. So let's get started.
Income or merit-based scholarships for those who qualify. They're a non-profit college accredited by ACCSC.
Oh, really?
Also, don't forget to check out their healthcare degree programs. So, see how Remington College can help you. Calm down.
It's also
Remington
about
College,
too.
real skills for the real world. Classes start August 14th.
Okay. Now, first, you have to back that up. And you have to push this in.
Hernia mesh complications include chronic pain, adhesion, product rejection, revision surgery, or other adverse reactions. Call the hernia mesh hotline now.
Keep bending it over.
Unless we make a recovery in your
Keep
favor,
bending it
don't be a
over.
silent victim.
How will I get the ball? But that's not it, because I have to fix it, Dennis. And here goes the awesome ruler. Bow! Chop, 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 chop. Here's my bowl. So let's get started with the blue one. Let's get started with the blue. The blue, you have to make circles. So let me make a circle. Okay, I tell you what I know when I make a circle.
Put it like it's supposed to be. Put it back on flat on the face.
Guys,
Don't set it like that.
let's put 1 marble, 2 marble, 3 marble, 4 marble. Over some more, but it isn't no more.